Hello guys, so in today's video, I'll be doing a detailed review of a very interesting credit card, the Citi Diamond Preferred Card. Now this isn't one of those flashy, high reward cards that you see everywhere. It's all about low interest, long 0% introductory periods, and financial breathing room. For Shopify store owners and beginners especially, this kind of card can be a powerful financial tool when you're managing cash flow, startup costs, or ad spend. So in this video, I'll take you through an extended overview, main features, pricing and fees, and pros and cons, as well as a balanced conclusion on why the Citi Diamond Preferred might actually be one of the best cards for managing debt in 2025. The Citi Diamond Preferred Card is designed primarily for one thing: helping you manage or eliminate interest payments. While most credit cards try to attract you with big rewards, travel points, or cash back, this one focuses on giving you time to pay off what you owe without being crushed by interest. For business owners, that time can mean launching a store, testing ads, or purchasing inventory without the pressure of compounding interest. In other words, this is a financial tool, not a luxury perk card. This card is ideal for people who want to transfer balances from high-interest credit cards, people who need to finance a large purchase over time without paying interest, or simply want a backup card with no annual fee and a very long 0% APR window. If you're building a Shopify store, this can be useful for covering expenses like website setup, product sourcing, branding, or marketing tools while you work toward profitability. As of 2025, Citi continues to position this card as one of the longest 0% APR offers on the market. You get 0% interest for 21 months on balance transfers and 0% interest for 12 months on new purchases. That's nearly 2 years of breathing room on transferred balances. So you can think of this card as your financial reset card, the one that you turn to when you need to make smart money move or reduce high-interest debts, especially if you're juggling personal and business expenses during your early growth stage. Now let us talk about the main features of the Citi Diamond Preferred Card. Number 1. The 0% introductory APR on balance transfers. You get 0% APR for up to 21 months from the date of your first transfer. That means you can move existing credit card debt to this card and pay it off nearly 2 years with no interest. For example, if you're carrying high-interest debt from another card you used for ads or equipment, you can move it here and focus on paying down the principal. You need to make a transfer within the first 4 months of the opening the account to qualify. And of course, there's a transfer fee. This feature alone is why most people get the Citi Diamond Preferred. Number 2 is also the low introductory APR on purchases for 12 months. It's actually 0% interest for 12 months on new purchases. That's perfect for large planned expenses, like buying inventory in bulk, paying for a premium Shopify theme, or investing in software tools that help automate your store. Number 3, no annual fee. It costs $0. That's another major plus. Many cards charge you around $95 or more per year just to keep them active. With this card, you can keep it open long-term as a safety net without worrying about extra costs eating into your budget. Number 4, you have access to Citi benefits. You have access to Citi's online account management, the mobile app, and free FICO score updates. This makes it easier to track spending, set alerts, and monitor your credit health as you grow both personally and professionally. Number 5, you have access to standard Citi protections. So like most Citi cards, you also get features like digital wallets compatibility, fraud protection, and contactless payment support. These are practical tools that make everyday transactions smoother and safer, whether you're paying for services online or in person. Just for emphasis, let us talk about the pricing. As earlier mentioned, it costs $0, so it is totally free to own, $0 liability on unauthorized charges. You also have free access to your FICO score, and it costs you 5% of the amount transferred as the balance transfer fee. That's a minimum of $5. While that fee is important to consider, it's often far less than what you'd pay in interest over time on a high-rate card. There's also a foreign transaction fee that applies 3%, which means it's not great for international spending or frequent overseas purchases. Having talked about this, what are the pros and cons of using this card? First, the pros. It has one of the longest 0% APR periods on balance transfers in 2025. There is no annual fee, so it costs you nothing to keep it long-term. 0% introductory APR on purchases for 12 months that has flexibility for large buys, and it's a great tool for debt consolidation. For entrepreneurs, this can mean more control over cash flow and fewer financial distractions while building your store. In the cons, there's no rewards program. You can't earn cash back, points, or miles, and the balance transfer fee can add up on large transfers. It's not ideal for international travel too, due to the foreign transaction fee. So if your main goal is earning perks, this card won't be the best fit. So having considered all of this, I'd say, in short, the Citi Diamond Preferred Card is not about luxury. It's about strategy. It's about you using time, not rewards, to your advantage. And for many responsible cardholders this year, especially those building businesses or side hustles, that makes it one of the best debt management tools available. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Citi Simplicity Card, Citi Double Cash Card, and Discovery Cashback. Each of these offers a different balance between rewards and low-interest features. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.